Thanks for tuning in. Behind me is a 69 Mach 1 S-Code. It's a factory big block car. It has the original 390 under the hood. And we're digging on this car for a few reasons. One, it was born just the way you see it. Acapulco Blue over black with the blackout hood treatment. It's a real authentic Mach 1. And for you folks that like to enjoy these cars during the summertime and the warm weather, this is a factory air car, factory power disc brake car, and a factory power steer car. What more could you ask for? It's been completely restored, finished in 2012. We've got all the receipts and docs. Come along as we show you a really nice example of a high quality driver Mach 1. We'll jump right into the front end here. We know the chrome, the bright work, the grille, the lower valance, all new parts, bits, and pieces during that restoration done about 13 years ago. Car shows very well, has good gaps. The hood sits down into these fenders quite nicely. These headlight buckets or fender extensions are in great shape and fit up very well. These hood pins, I'll get these slopped out of here. Cool, cool. That is a beauty. It fills up this entire engine bay, that's for sure. Little room in between those shock towers and that 390 FE. This is dressed correctly. Got the right air cleaner, the right valve covers, correct Autolite battery topper. You see we have an original style AC compressor that has been completely rebuilt with the receipts to go with. Power steering pump below that. Dual master cylinder with the power booster all the way back there on the firewall. One upgrade this car has, and you might not have noticed, is a 3-inch aluminum radiator with a factory style radiator tank. This one is actually aluminum, and you see the welds if you look a little bit closer. Works great, has a clutch fan on that, but up in front of here, you see we have dual pusher fans. So when you have that air going and you need this condenser to do its job and you might be sitting in traffic, you're not gonna have to worry about the car getting hot, as we know these big block FEs kind of tend to run hot anyways. So this is definitely a cool upgrade. Total of 3 fans keeping her cool, and the other one's switched when the AC gets rolling. Pretty sweet. Dig it. Roll down the side of this car. It's got the alloy Mag 500 style wheels wrapped in brand new BFG raised white letter tires. You see the disc brakes through the spokes. Hot looking combination on these cars. A nice flat straight paint with good gloss. Gaps are good. Dual sport mirror car. There's some smudge, but the chrome is in excellent shape. Out back, a little more tire. This time a 255/60 on a 15-inch wheel. This car is equipped with the louvers. It's got the spoiler, quad exhaust tips, super sweet look. Smooth action on the trunk. Inner wheel tubs, got the factory seam sealer on them. And a nice trunk mat. Newer tank. Seal on the deck that looks nice. Original Jack Construction sticker. Clean gutter all the way around. I like it. Rolling down the passenger side. Beautiful lines. Great gaps yet again. All the right badging. Drip rail molding looks to be in great shape. Glass is in good shape too. That dual mirror. Have our fixed antenna on top of that fender looking good. Door to quarter relationship is quite good. This is a good fitting car. And really smooth action on the door. Door cards are in great shape. The speaker surrounds looking good. Interior, yeah, this all looks nicely reconditioned. Got these nice black bucket seats in good shape. Console looks good. Dig the wood grain these Mach 1's got. Over here on my end of things, we've got a 120 mile per hour speedo, and we have gauges for things like our voltmeter, coolant temp, and oil pressure, all of which are working good. And then obviously being a factory air car, we've got a couple AC vents throughout this thing. And we do have an upgraded AM FM head unit fitting in the factory location. And downstairs are all those HVAC controls. C6 T-handle shifter. Up under these nice pony mats, we got the correct carpet kit here. It's got the red kick pads for our Mach 1 designation. Let's take a peek at the rear. Smooth, I dig it. Rear seats are in good condition. We got lap belts for everybody. Rear cards look great. Sail panels look good. Upper package tray, nice. Tight window moldings all around that glass. And I see all of our interior lamps are working as they should too. Got original seat belts, floor mats for everybody. Seat backs in good shape. And while we're looking around here, check out the headliner. No love or attention needed there. And this is a factory shoulder belt car. before we go, I've got a good bit of paper on this car. Here's the Marty report. You can find close-ups of this on our website. Quick highlight reel on it. True S code, real Mach 1, finished in Acapulco Blue with the blackout hood treatment over the black high back bucket seats. 3.0 conventional from the factory. I've got a receipt in here for a 3.0 Posi-Track. So it's traction lock, rear end, everything we could dream of. Factory C6 car, factory power disc brake, power steer, air conditioning. Also, if I got a whole accordion binder full of a bunch of paper, got the original owner's manual, lots of good stuff, lots of receipts, full resto finished in 2012. So if you want to see any of this, call us, text us, email. The number is 248-714-2110, and the email is inquiry@LaFontaineClassicCars.com. Appreciate you tuning in, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao.